I used to delete half my footage because it was unwatchable. Seriously, shaky hands ruined everything. Then I got the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus 2024, total game changer. 3-axis stabilization gives me buttery, smooth footage even when running. Creative modes like 600-degree inception shots and dolly zoom effects make filming fun. Quick vertical switching, up to 13-hour battery that doubles as a power bank. And it's so lightweight and portable, I can toss it in my backpack and take it anywhere. Perfect for creators on the move. The Hohem app unlocks smart features like face tracking, gesture control, and time-lapse for effortless shoots. Whether I'm vlogging in a busy city or capturing epic travel moments, my footage stays steady and professional. With up to 13 hours of battery life, I never worry about missing a shot, even on long adventures. If you're a content creator, traveler, or vlogger, this is the must-have tool for 2025. It took my content from amateur to cinematic. My audience noticed the difference instantly. Ready to level up your travel and vlogging in 2025? Grab yours now from the link below.